but I'm gonna figure it out. First though, I'm fixing this for my dad. This is key fob ring, and if you look closely, you can see it broke in the corner right here. Man. So I'm gonna weld that back together so it can go back on his keychain. And I'm using plastic from this marker to feed in for the repair. I'm going to need extra plastic, I think. Actually, do I want to use it for my marker or my pen? Ooh. Actually, I'm gonna use plastic from this thing. This is a spool of thread. Basically, any plastic should work. I just need more plastic material is all. Oh, that's never going to be found. I'm not even going to try to look for that. It just shot somewhere in my room. I'm not going to find it. I'm just going to cut some more. Wow, I'm glad I put these gloves on. I just cut through my gloves. That would have been my finger with the X-Acto knife. I have so many close calls. The gloves are that little bit of extra. I would have been bleeding right now if it weren't for that. Okay. So my dad's idea was to put on, or put the keyring back on first. I don't know if that's a big deal or not, but I'll do it. Okay. How was it going? Man, I was really excited that I fixed my car radiator myself. For the first time, I did a big mechanical job like that on a car. And now it's all leaked. Oh, not my car, my dad's truck. So now it's all leaked out. There's some major problem. So I'm gonna repair that. It's pretty depressing, but I decided not to let it defeat me. I was gonna just bring it to a mechanic shop, and I was like, you know what? No. I'm gonna find out what's wrong, and I'm gonna fix it myself. I'm not gonna let something like that cause me to give up. I need to keep trying. I need to never give up. My goal is to never have to use a car mechanic at all. I want to do everything myself. So, in order to meet my goal, I need to not let this defeat me. Ha! I'm killing it, man. Just trying to blow it away from my face. These fumes are like probably really bad to breathe in. Anything with plastic fumes is bad always. I would put on a respirator, but I'm too lazy, and it's not going to be that long of a job. Yeah, I know. I don't want to leave for weeks. I'm trying to stream everything I do. I streamed a couple days ago for like 6 hours. This plastic's a lot softer. Oh well. Man, this fan is so annoying. Welcome back. Basically drawing up molten plastic from around the base of the arch toward where the crack was, and I'm smoothing it out as I go, just moving material like from strong areas to weak areas, and trying to create a smooth bevel. Right now I'm just dragging molten fluid upward from the case to the bad area. Just press and drag. Oh, out of focus? There. Sorry about that. I reshaped the whole thing. I kind of caved down this whole side, so it's not. It's like kind of pushed down through here. I did that on purpose because I thought it would be stronger and just collapse the whole repair area into a smaller area. Kind of want to use a different tip though to work out the underside of the arch, so I might be switching tips. Because this tip is too big to fit on the underside. Then I'm going to work out from the underside to smooth it out. .3D printer? Yeah, I'd love to have one, but I don't know how that would help me with this. I'm basically just welding a repair to this key fob. Okay. Once I'm happy with the overall shape and smoothness of all the areas that this welding tip can actually reach. Oh, you guys weren't even on the screen. Um, I'm going to come in with the other tip, and I think I'm ready for that now. Okay, so changing out my tip. I better unplug it. I read that if you remove the tip from a wood burner or a welder, that can somehow mess it up if you do that while it's hot. Oh, it's like plugged in. They can burn out the element, the heating element. That's what I read, but I don't know if that's how it works or not. If I lose this set screw, I'm screwed. Okay. Come on. Okay, I got it started. It's the hard part. Okay. So now this tip should get me where I need to go. Hmm. Maybe that should help. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Oh, it's not plugged in. I wonder it's not hot. Do you have a job? No. Nothing. Unemployed. I'm an entrepreneur. So I guess you could say that's my own job. I'm my own boss. But right now I'm working on some personal projects for a couple months. So I'm not even working on my businesses right now. I'm doing some vehicle repair work and miscellaneous organizational repair work, basically. Ooh, man, this tip is helping a lot. Wow, really like that. That is excellent. Dang. This thing is amazing. This is actually from my soldering iron, like for soldering electronics. I put the soldering electronics tip into my wood burner and it enables me to get this thing into this arch. And it's a game changer, man. And so much precision now. Oh my gosh. You guys can't even see when I do it. Sorry about that. Now I'm pretty much just showing off. I'm just making this thing like, gosh, why does this keep happening? Every time I move it around on myself, let's see, I go from here to here to here. You guys keep getting tossed off the frame. Sorry about that. I'm amazed by how much precision I have with this thing, man. I can make this thing look pretty. Okay, guys. I think I did it. I think I killed it. Did a great job here. Hey, what's up, Indeo? So here's the final thing. Let me put the light on it better. Okay. Let me also hold it up like this. You can see it. It's all solid now. Big success, right there. Big success. Broke off the keyring. I guess my dad tugged on it too hard and it snapped in half. You can't even see where it was broke now. But I pretty much collapsed this whole side down. You can see this arch here is not as pronounced as this one. So I just kind of brought this whole thing in order to smash a bunch of material, like from this, dragging it up from all through here. Like this is beveled down because this was more pronounced, like right here. And I just drew all this material up so that it created a thick trunk right here. And then I bent the trunk over, so it kind of is like a thick bevel because the crack was right here. And so I just brought up all the material plastic I could from the middle, from here, and from here to build up this area. And then I worked it out, and I created a nice smooth interior. And yeah, perfect job here. Very happy. This custom tip I made for my wood burner just by cutting it off of some tool. It's got a rounded top, and I thought by creating a nice long tip like this, it would reduce the temperature so it wouldn't be as hot and I could melt thinner plastic. So this is still useful for that. But with a shorter tip like this one, the heat is more pronounced because it doesn't get dissipated as much because this is closer to the heating element. But now this tip, which came from an actual soldering iron, this thing was really, really pronounced, and I loved it because unlike this large tip here, this gave me precision control. I could either use the tip or the base of it, and using the tip of it, I was like able to just spread really smoothly the molten plastic and just smooth it out like peanut butter on bread. Hey, what's up, old hat? I've been working on some vehicle projects, so yeah, this is kind of one of them, I guess. My dad just told me about this today, though. That's not what I've been doing. Yeah, he's going to pay me $20 to fix this for him, and this looks like a really excellent fix. I told him that after the repair it would be stronger than it was originally, and I'm testing it now. Seems to be pretty good. Still has a full range of motion in here. And so yeah, I think I lived up to what I claimed I could do. It's a smaller gap than it was originally because I drew a lot of plastic. I changed the shape in order to make it really a lot stronger and more stout. I wanted a really thick thing right here. So anyways, I can deliver this now to him. I don't know if he's still home, but I'm going to bring it upstairs. Success!